Google Imagen AI is a game-changing release that you absolutely need to know about if you're interested in the latest AI technology. In this video, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to understand about Google Imagen AI, which has quickly become one of the best just-released AI tools. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you how you can try this software completely free, and I'll share my personal recommendations for the best AI tools out there. Google Imagen AI has quickly turned heads for its incredible capabilities. First off, this AI is specifically designed for image generation, but it's different from others like DALL-E or Midjourney. What sets Imagen apart is its focus on photorealism. It doesn't just generate cool images, it creates highly detailed and lifelike visuals that look like they were taken with a professional camera. You can input simple text prompts, and it'll bring your ideas to life in a way that feels almost too real. If you're in marketing, design, or content creation, this is a powerful tool to add to your arsenal. What makes Google Imagen stand out even more is its ability to understand complex prompts. The software processes multiple layers of your input to create exactly what you envision. It doesn't just focus on one aspect of the image, it takes into account the environment, lighting, textures, and even human emotion, creating realistic and emotionally engaging imagery. The attention to detail here is impressive, especially for an AI that's so new. Another crucial thing to note is the seamless integration of Google Imagen with Google's broader ecosystem. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for anyone already using Google products. You can effortlessly export your creations to other Google platforms, making it easier to incorporate into your workflow without worrying about compatibility issues. For businesses, this integration is a huge time saver. Google has also been super transparent about the technology behind Imagen AI, which is a nice touch for those concerned with ethical AI use. They've emphasized reducing bias in the images it creates, which is important for anyone using AI in a professional capacity. This AI is constantly learning from diverse datasets, making it more inclusive and accurate in its visual representations. That's a crucial point for any serious AI user to keep in mind. One of the most exciting aspects of Google Imagen AI is its speed. Unlike other image generators, which can sometimes take a while to process complex prompts, Google Imagen is fast. Whether you're using it for personal projects or commercial work, you won't be left waiting for long. It's this kind of efficiency that makes it an attractive tool for businesses and creators on tight deadlines. Now, while it's still in its early stages, Google Imagen AI is available for free right now. You can try it for yourself using the link in the description below. If you've ever used other AI image generation tools, you'll notice the difference immediately. It's smooth, responsive, and consistently produces high-quality outputs. The best part is, you can experiment without committing to anything. It's a great chance to see if this software fits your needs before diving deeper into a paid plan. If you're curious about other AI tools after trying Google Imagen, be sure to check out the other software I recommend in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that these are the best out there. To recap, Google Imagen AI offers highly detailed, photorealistic images, an intuitive interface, and an impressive blend of speed and accuracy. Its deep understanding of complex prompts and seamless integration into Google's ecosystem makes it one of the best just-released AI tools in 2025. You can test it out for free right now. Don't miss the link below.